Hi guys, welcome to C2C Mentors. Today, the this video is not about anything to do with CAT or any of your prep. This is more to do with respect to the corporate field or the corporate kind of work experience that you're going to get, and specifically about program manager course that we are going to be launching. Um, what we'll be covering in the 5 or 6 minute video that I'm making right now is what is going to be the structure of our course, what is the need of this course right now, why are we even doing this, and what is the scope? What exactly is it that entails you to be a program manager in any of your org, right? So let's first dive into why exactly or what exactly do program managers do. So as a lot of y'all would know already that product managers are the ones who look at customer insights and or whoever the end customer is and develop new products which is going to solve or help with respect to certain business insights. This is the usual work of a product manager. Now what a program manager does is formulates a strategy to drive its adoption, formulates a strategy to highlight the most important aspects of their particular product. So say suppose there was insight A that the product manager was rooting for, and that's what the inception or that's what the concept of the particular product is for. But a program manager is the one who can actually dive deep into the product itself and come up with a new and creative way of utilizing the same product, right? That's exactly what a program manager does, right? That identify what the different needs that the business needs that a product is meeting, and also talk about, right, talk about how is it adding to our business value and what exactly is the different what is the shortcomings of a particular program. Okay, so what we will be covering in our program, in our course of a program manager, is what is a program manager? What is the role that it entails in different capacities across different organizations? I'll be talking to a lot of my friends who are program managers across different companies, and what is the different type of roles that it entails, right? And the different types of roles that you can get. Second part or second module of this course will be covering the program certification or sorry, program creation process itself, right? What do I mean by program creation process is we'll be going through each different use cases and different case studies wherein different business problems will be discussed, and what is that way you could have gone about creating your own program. And we'll also be having assignments so that you can go back home, think about different solutions to different actual business problems, which will be collated by literally primary research that I'll be doing, right? The third part of it would be metric definition process. So a program is only a skeleton. However, a metric that you are going to be tracking in a program is something that is eventually going to be adding value or is going to get visibility with respect to the upper management that you will be eventually working with, right? So, how do you go about this most crucial part of a program, right? How do you go about metric definition and identify different aspects of a program wherein the different kind of tracking is something that will help you drive more efficiently. The fourth part would be the program tracking and visibility. So over here we'll be talking more about Excel and dashboarding, because eventually you have identified a way in which you are creating a funnel, data funnel, in which you'll be getting automated data sets. You are defining the metrics. Now it's all about how do you track those metrics? How do you create dashboards, right? On say QuickSight or say your Tableau or even on Excel itself. So we'll be covering that aspect of it and how to basically use little small formulas right from the basic, right from scratch, creating your if loops in an Excel file. The last part of it, sorry, the second last part of it is going to be about your stakeholder management, because now we have talked about tracking, now we have talked about visibility. Now it's all about stakeholder management, how you are going to be managing different stakeholders' expectation. What is it that you would be presenting to an upper management folk? What is it that you would be presenting to an employee that you are maybe tracking under your program, right? And what how do you tweak different communication, and what is the psychology behind communicating with them? So we'll be getting to that aspect of it, because there is a bigger chunk of your work is going to be talking to different people and managing their expectations. And the last part of your course is going to have think big initiatives, which are basically, right now you have created this program in the grander scheme of things, how does it add value to the excellence of the org that you are basically a part of, right? How exactly is it going to contribute, or what is the 3 year vision? How do you think about it? How do you converge to that plan, make a plan and converge to it? That being said, this is the core structure that we are going to be covering. And we will be also covering couple of interviews with different program managers from different companies. Of course, I also have my own Amazon experience. Now, there'll be a couple of people who will be who'd be working out of Microsoft, would be maybe working across a different product team, that would give you a different view on the same. So that being said, I don't think that this is simply for the program managers alone. This is also for any manager who aspiring product managers, right? Because understand a lot of the time there are two reasons for the same. Number one would be, a lot of the times the firm is small, or the company that you're working, or if it's a startup, then you don't really have a program manager per se. You are the product manager, and you are also owning the program of driving the charter, driving adoption, right? And the last part of it would be, if you are a product manager in a bigger firm, that there are program managers working or operating closely with you. this will help you this will help you drive more efficient, or drive more efficient product features, right? And make that in line with how the program managing management team is also working. So I think this is going to be helping you out in both aspects, holistically becoming a better product manager, or if you are simply going to be a program manager in a bigger place. That being said, do reach out in case you have any queries about the courses, and very excited to see you as a part of this course. Thank you.